Welcome to ENC Enameled Wire Factory. We are committed to providing quality products that service our customers' exacting requirements. The capacity of the enameled wire is more than 75,000 tons per year with 211 units enameling machines, 1 units large wire drawing machines, and 173 units small wire drawing machines. Product's thermal grade range is from 155 to 240. Wire diameter ranges from 0.15 to 510 millimeters. All the products are UL safety certified and qualified RoHS. Products can be used for power transformer, electric tool, electric motor and so on. We have a perfect production process with factory automation equipment, including aluminum rod production process, wire drawing process and enameling process. We have complete enameled wire testing equipment, which can complete all the physical and chemical properties of enameled wire required by NEMA IEC standards. In the production process, we have advanced automatic paint supply system and advanced lubricating oil filtration system to clean up the aluminum powder impurities produced in the process of aluminum rod drawing, to ensure the smooth surface of the pulled bare aluminum wire. We have advanced online monitoring, eddy current flow detection online testing system to test the surface defects and aluminum wire impurity. IES after drawing to prevent unqualified bare aluminum wire from flowing into the next process. HVC online testing system tests the surface particle, varnish, and film continuity, pinhole, properties of enamels. In quality area established to ensure that each product is delivered to equivalent quality customers by performing an effective audit during the period from raw material to final product. Many tasks are preferred and the test results are recorded in database. We have professional testing equipment. We test raw materials, structure size, mechanical capacity, thermal performance, electrical performance and chemical performance. There is a professional metal spectrum analyzer to test the aluminum content and other elements of the aluminum rod. We have high-quality mold production, maintenance of a full set of professional production equipment, and can be timely maintenance.